Hi parents, the purpose of this video is to walk you through how to access your child's Microsoft 365 account. Being a student in the Marietta Valley School District, all students are already linked to a 365 account, so I am just going to show you the steps on how to access that. So right now I am on the Buchanan Elementary Student Links page. This is where you're going to start, and you are going to scroll down till you see the Office 365 icon. You will click on that and then click Accept. From there, you will, if you have an older child that is already using 365, you may see their login options. For the sake of this video, I am going to be logging in as a student, so I will click right here on Use Another Account. If you do not have anyone in your home that's using 365, this is where it will take you to first. So you're going to sign in, and what I want to do is I'm going to pop this up on the screen. Please feel free to take a screenshot of this on your device. And this is the login information that you will need to access Microsoft 365. The username is your child's 9-digit number followed by @mvusd.org. So it's set up just like an email address. The 9-digit number is the same number that they have been using to access iRead and iReady. So the example I put here is 123456789 @mvusd.org. Their password is capital M followed by VUSD with your child's birth month as 2 digits, birth date as 2 digits, followed by an exclamation point, and there are no spaces included in that. So the example below, capital M VUSD 0407 exclamation point. So please feel free to again take a screenshot of that to save it as reference. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in as a student so that I can show you what it will look like. So I am entering in a 9-digit number followed by @mvusd.org. I'm clicking next, and then the password, capital M VUSD, month, date, exclamation point. And you are now into their account. So this is, think of this as like their Office 365 homepage. Up here it shows you all the different programs that you can be using to get into Office 365. So what you're going to want to do is you will be using this icon right here called Teams. So after you log in, I would love for you to click on Teams and see if you're able to access that and explore what Teams has to offer. I am going to do a follow-up video on how to actually access a live meeting for Teams. Again, Teams is the platform that will be used for live instruction for our school district. So you can click on Teams and explore that and be looking for a follow-up video where I show you how to access a scheduled meeting through Teams.